Have you ever seen an algebraic expression that looks complicated but secretly hides a perfect square? Stay with me, because this one works for every natural number n. In this video, we are going to prove that the number n times n+1 times n+2 times n+3 plus 1 is always a perfect square, no matter which natural number n we choose. We start by considering the expression n times n+1 times n+2 times n+3 plus 1. Using the commutativity of multiplication, we rewrite it as n times n+3 times n+1 times n+2 plus 1. We now expand the two pairs of factors. N times n+3 is equal to n exponent 2 plus 3n, and n+1 times n+2 is equal to n exponent 2 plus 3n plus 2. So the expression becomes n exponent 2 plus 3n times n exponent 2 plus 3n plus 2 plus 1. Applying the distributive property of multiplication over addition, we obtain n exponent 2 plus 3n exponent 2 plus 2 times n exponent 2 plus 3n plus 1. We now recognize that this expression has the form a exponent 2 plus 2 times a times b plus b exponent 2, where a is equal to n exponent 2 plus 3n and b is equal to 1. Therefore, the expression can be factored as n exponent 2 plus 3n plus 1 exponent 2. We have shown that n times n+1 times n+2 times n+3 plus 1 is equal to n exponent 2 plus 3n plus 1 exponent 2. This proves that the number n times n+1 times n+2 times n+3 plus 1 is a perfect square for every natural number n. If you learned from this elegant algebraic proof, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves mathematical surprises. More beautiful proofs are coming very soon. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ using the link in the description. vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today.